there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 18 of 2019. And this campaign marks 23 years since I placed my very first order in campaign 18 of 1996. So every year, kind of a special campaign for me. This campaign, we are talking about your beauty BFFs, so great products in our beauty categories. And first up, we have the products from our Naked Proof line, because of course, a lot of times when we think of skincare, we focus on our face and we don't think as much about the rest of our skin, so the skin on the rest of our body. So we do have what we call our Naked Proof line, and it has a few different products in it to help us improve the look of the skin elsewhere on the body. So first up, we have the Smooth Moves, which is our cellulite gel. And this is a light cooling gel, has a really nice cooling feel to it. And 98% of the women in the clinical studies that they did saw improvement within 4 weeks, dramatically reduced look of their cellulite. So that was the Smooth Moves cellulite gel. I have my notes because, you know, statistics, they're a thing that are hard to remember. And I don't want to mix them up for you guys. So I've got my notes blowing all over the place on my desk here. So next up, we have the Affirm Yourself, which is our firming cream for the body. And 96% of the women in the study showed improvement in the firmness and tone in the abdomen and hip areas. That's the orange, the Affirm Yourself. And the end of the line is our stretch mark improving cream. And in 2 weeks, the women in the clinical study showed it dramatically reduced the look of stretch marks. So that's the 3 creams or gels in our Naked Proof line. And then this campaign, we have a special where you can mix and match those and get any 2 of those for $24 and get a free mask also. So we have the Dare to Bear, which is a treatment mask for the décolleté area, and the Stand Firm, which is a sheet mask that can be used basically anywhere that you would use the Affirm Yourself, any area that you want to do firming, so like along the arms, legs, or midsection there. And it's just kind of like an extra boost beyond what the creams and gels do. And speaking of skincare for the face, because we always said that tends to be where we focus, we also have featured this campaign our #1 bestseller, and it's actually also my #1 best-selling. I sell more of this particular skin cream than any other that we carry, and it's our Anew Ultimate Day Cream, and it's an SPF 25, and it's a multi-purpose. It's designed to address many different signs of aging in the skin. And when they did the clinical studies with this one, 100% of the women in the study showed improvement in texture, clarity, uneven skin tone, overall fine wrinkles, basically all of the age-related visible signs of damage in the skin. They showed improvement in that. So this is, like I said, my #1 selling product. It's the one that usually, if anybody that I'm talking to that has more than one concern with their skin, then this is where we start. And of course, we start with the day cream because we want the sun protection also, and it is a broad spectrum, so it does help prevent damage from UVA and UVB rays. So that is the Ultimate Day Cream in SPF 25. And we have that if you're interested in starting a new, like a whole regimen with the day cream, the night cream, the eye system, and all of that. We have the Ultimate line, and you can get a box set of that does have the day cream, the night cream, the 2-part eye system for the Ultimate line, and a travel size of our Power Serum, which our Power Serum, of course, acts as like a booster to your skincare regimen. It helps boost the benefits from your other skincare products. And in campaign 18, not only can you get the kind of starter kit for that regimen, when you do, you get the free matching cleanser. So you get the Anew Ultimate Cream Cleanser as well. And that actually, the special offer on this is $148 value that you get for $55. So that's a really good deal on that if you're looking to start the Anew Ultimate regimen. That's a great deal on that. Or if you currently use it and you just are ready to restock all of the different products in the regimen, it's a great way to do it and save some money in the process. Let's see. Next up, I have some new jewelry. You know, I always love our sterling silver. That's from our fine jewelry line. Love the sterling silver because the sterling, unlike the costume jewelry, the sterling lasts longer, although I find the costume jewelry actually lasts a really long time too. And this campaign, these new collection that we've released, it's a sterling silver abalone with marcasite collection. And so you can see it's got the earrings, necklace, and ring in that collection. And the great thing about abalone is every piece looks different because it's kind of a, you know, a natural thing that is multicolored. So this is the ring. Try to get that a little bit more focused there. There we go. And you can see it's got a nice, beautiful mix of greens and blues and a little bit of black in there. And then you've got the detail on the setting as well in the marcasite. So really, really pretty ring. And I'll put that on so you can kind of see scale. It is a bigger, it's not a very dainty, not a very small, it's a good medium size ring. So just to give you the reference, some people like to see how it, what the size is on the hand, how bold of a piece it is. And then these are the earrings. And again, you can see how you get a little bit different. Each piece is unique because the abalone comes out a little bit different in each piece. So it's almost kind of like a, you know, the same as like a mother of pearl with the iridescence and the different shades. And the earrings have also got the nice detail on the setting. If I get that to focus in, to block out my face. And even has on the, it's a lever back earring. So it's got the lever on the back that closes up to help keep them secure, but you've even got the little marcasite detail on the loop as well. So really, really beautiful pieces. And then the necklace, the pendant on the necklace would be about the same size as the ring, as the pendant on the ring. So just for comparison purposes there. And of course, as always, last but not least is our A-Box special for the campaign. Only $10 with any $40 purchase. And this campaign, we have the Anew Ultimate Night in a travel size and the Ultimate Gel Cream, the Ultimate Cream Cleanser in a travel size, as well as a full size of our vitamin C warming peel. And this is a great, you know, 2 to 3 times a week treatment. You know, put some on, you kind of massage it in, and it's a great exfoliator and also helps to brighten the skin. And then when you use cool water to rinse it, it's got a very nice warming action to it, and that helps to draw out impurities in the pores. So great deal there. Anytime you get full-size skincare in an A-Box, that's definitely a deal you don't want to pass up. So yeah, that's everything for campaign 18. This ended up being kind of a short one for me. So hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.